spots the 1.9s have never been able to conquer.
Maybe.
Other than with a winch.
My body's connected a little better now. That's on something bad.
There you go. Alright, yeah. That camera won't do like up close stuff. It's just not that little camera. It'll work good enough to show our trail repair of me breaking a 3-link though and taking a longer screw. And then
another spacer, which is close off.
There's one spacer. And then there's 2 spacers. Spacers and a longer screw.
Nice.
And then
Paging Dr. Stevie.
fingers are too big.
It's a hell of a long screw.
I didn't have, it was no happy mediums. Either too short or too long, so I went with the longer. I'm going to thread it all the way through to make sure it's in anyways. Should protrude out the other side sometime, yeah.
Yep.
Here it is. And that's how you do a trail repair on a Toyota. You always carry in your bag extra nuts and bolts, JB Weld, duct tape, and zip ties. That's all, and a couple of chiclets. You might get hungry.
Oh.
There, it's fixed. Now we can go do our video.
I'm an animal, I'm a victim, I'm the answer to your prayers. I'm a witness on a witch hunt, I'm the monster up the stairs. I'm the ghost that's in the mirror, I'm everything that you fear. I'm the riptide, I'm the soul shock, I'm the voice that's in your ear. I've seen it all, still can't taste it. Smashed to the wall, brought me to my knees. I've done it all, fucked up, wasted, still in my blood, but now inside I'm seen. I'm the hunted, I'm the predator, I'm the answer to the riddle. I'm the upbeat, I'm the head fuck, I'm the way off left of the middle. I'm the player, I'm the naive, I'm the one who's not addicted. I'm the logic to the fuck up, I'm the broken one who fixed it. I've seen it all, still can't taste it. Smashed to the wall, brought me to my knees. I've done it all, fucked up, wasted, still in my blood, but now inside I'm seen. I've seen it all, still can't taste it. Smashed to the wall, brought me to my knees. I've done it all, fucked up, wasted, still in my blood, but now inside I'm seen. I'm just a child with a tear